The Crosse Fire Department might be the first of its kind in the state to start using an drug overdose antidote. News 8's Leah Lynchide joins us live in the studio with the details.
Now, paramedics call Narcan a life-saving drug. It's been used here for years in cases of narcotics overdose, most often with heroin. Until now, only paramedics have been authorized to administer it, but thanks to a new pilot program, Crosse's Fire Department could be the state's first emergency responder group to use the drug. Eric Ellis has been with Tri-State Ambulance for the past 6 years. During that time, he's administered this drug with its iconic orange cap more times than he can remember.
Dozens, if not hundreds.
The drug's called Narcan, and it's used as a sort of antidote to bring heroin and narcotics users out of an overdose in a matter of minutes. Narcan's use here in La Crosse has skyrocketed in the past few years.
We're on track to use it about 200 times this year in the field.
Compare that to the 43 times Tri-State used it back in 2007. Paramedics with the ambulance company are currently the only first responders in our area that are authorized to use the drug, but that might be about to change.
As part of the community, this would be a good step for the fire department to apply to be considered into this pilot program because we are actually out on the street responding to these calls as we speak.
Since 2009, La Crosse firefighters, who often act as first responders, have seen a more than 50% increase in overdose calls. In response to that spike, they're applying for a state pilot program that would authorize them to administer Narcan. If it's successful, the fire department would be one of the state's first to be able to use the heroin antidote.
This is just one part of a community problem that hopefully solves it.
Safe, inexpensive, very easy to administer at this route.
Ellis and his fellow Tri-State paramedics are happy to share responsibility when it comes to administering this miracle drug. They'll be the first to congratulate La Crosse's firefighters if they're approved for the Narcan pilot.
It'll be interesting to see the results from that study, and hopefully we can see some positive side effects in the community from it.
Today I spoke with the state EMS office. That's the department spearheading the pilot program. And officials there say the program will also help track the use of heroin across the state. By following where and how the Narcan is administered, officials will be able to better track Wisconsin's heroin hotspots.
All right, thank you, Leah. The state EMS office says 50 departments will be accepted into the program. If the fire department is accepted into it, firefighters can start administering Narcan as early as January 1st.